So, yeah. Um, I can't figure this out. I had three issues with the turrets that I wanted to get fixed with my movement system in general. One of them was that when the turret got close enough to its main target, it would just kind of vibrate, never exactly locking on, just like side by side a little bit. I was able to fix that relatively easily. The other two issues, I have no idea. I've been toying. Hold on a sec. I have been taking notes for a better portion of the day, trying to figure out exactly what the heck is going on with this. Why are the turrets acting so weird? And I couldn't figure it out. I'm very bad with trigonometry, which is something that's necessary for this. So I may either send this to somebody and see if they can figure it out for me, and I'll just have an aha moment after I see what they do, or yeah, I have no idea. Or I'll have to come up with an easier system. See, the way I currently have it set up is I've mentioned this in the past three videos, but I do want to make sure I get it out there again. Is there are two parts to there are three parts to every turret in the game, and I'm counting bots and tanks and everything that is going to be shooting a gun as this turret. So first you have the platform that just, if it's a turret, it stays still. If it's a bot, then the platform is legs. If it's a tank, then it's the lower half of it, where the platform can rotate and can move to get the turret from place to place. The second part is the swivel that rotates horizontally and points toward the target. And the last part is the cannon itself, which rotates vertically to try and get, the correct height so that the arc, so it fires the bullet and the bullet has a proper arc to hit the target. The I can't get any of it to work properly. The movement is fine. Movement works great. And something's up with Arctan 2, the system, the bit of trigonometry used right here, math.atan2. I can't figure, or it might be compute y angle. I don't know. It might be that I have no idea. This is just beyond my basic comprehension. But yeah, so that's how it was supposed to work. Here's my idea for what I'm going to do tomorrow to try and fix this. So, Unity.math or Unity.mathematics has a built in quaternion look at function. So, you just set the direction it's looking in as a float 3 and what direction up is as a float 3, and it returns a rotation. So I might try and set up a system where it will rotate toward that, and just have the barrel of the gun just point directly toward that, and then have the swivel just turn to compensate. So they're two separate parts, where one, its only job is to horizontally follow the other. It might simplify it quite a bit. This isn't working, what I have right now. If I can't figure that out, then yeah, I'll send both to somebody and see if I can have someone work this out. Because, yeah. Well, oh well, that was a day spent learning a lot about trigonometry and quaternions and inner workings of Unity. So I'd consider it to be You know what? It was a headache. It was a win, but it was a bittersweet win. Yeah.